Hey guys, today we're making delicious eggplant parmesan. Some people call it aubergine. We're starting with 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch slices. This is one large eggplant. We've already prepared our dredging station / dipping station. So we start with our flour. We already put salt in it. Here we have our egg wash. We've already beaten it with egg and water. We've added our salt, pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now for the breadcrumbs. We have our classic breadcrumbs. We've also added our seasoned breadcrumbs, and we added a little bit of salt. Time for some action. Time for some action. Time for some action. Let the dredging begin. Okay, so we start with our flour. We make sure that it's completely covered in flour. And then we dip it into the egg wash. We make sure that it's completely covered with the egg wash. And then we dip it into our breadcrumbs. And we make sure, guess what? To completely cover it with the breadcrumbs. It reminds me, I put my hand upon my hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Let me know if you remember that song. Anyway, when we're finished with that, then we start the whole process again. Remember to dip it in the flour first. I didn't show that, but we're now in the egg. Make sure we cover it completely, and then we dip it into the breadcrumbs. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure that you like it, share it out to those who might need a little help in the kitchen, and subscribe to the channel because we have plenty of other great recipes. All right, so we're done with that one. Again, you just repeat the process with all of the slices. You see, it's well breaded. I think we got every crevice. Then voila. Once you're done with breading all of the slices, make sure to turn on your oil and to turn on your air fry, because today we are comparing which one is better, the air fryer or deep fried. Okay, so I've heated up the air fryer and we're putting the slices. Unfortunately, we can only fit 4 medium to large slices in there. So that's what we're gonna do. And also, air fryer, key rule, you have to spray with oil. If you want anything that's breaded to be nice and golden brown, spray it with some oil. Okay, so we're adding our slices to the hot oil and let the games begin. Like I said, let the games begin. Let the games begin. Who is going to come out the winner? All right, so we already have one side in the frying end that is nice and brown. Okay, let's turn it all over. Let's turn the third one over as well. One plus that I have to give on the frying side, the deep fried side, is that it is quicker. Still waiting for the slices in the air fryer to turn golden brown, while these are almost done. They look almost done. Now they're done. Just like the slices that are deep fried, the slices that are in the air fryer have to be turned over. So I turned them over, and now we're waiting for the other side to turn golden brown. So even when I turn them over, you have to spray the other side so that it can get golden brown as well. We're draining the deep fried slices on a lined wire rack so that it doesn't get soggy. We don't want them to be soggy, so having them drain on a wire rack helps with that. Amen, they are finally done. Definitely crispy. Okay. Okay, air fryer. Okay. Nice. It's crisp. This one's extra. Let's see. Let's try this one. It's crispy. I think the air fryer is actually more crispy. Okay, well, as you can see, the air fryer wins the first test. It is crispy. It is super crispy. A little drier than the fried, but it's crispy. Now let's make it Parmesan. Okay, so we're adding our favorite sauce, whether homemade or store-bought. This is a store-bought one. I do have a homemade marinara sauce recipe video, so check that out. And then we're also adding our cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. All right, so make sure we add the mozzarella cheese to the top of both slices. I'm sticking with the air fryer theme today, so we're just gonna pop it into the air fryer. And looky, looky, looky here, what we have. So that is the deep fried slice, and that is the air fried slice. They look pretty similar, y'all. They look pretty similar. Side by side, honestly, either one. They both look delicious. Let's cut in. Now that's the fried. Okay, it's a little moist. It's crisp, but it's a little moist. The eggplant is a little soft on the inside. Some of you might like a moister eggplant parmesan. Okay. And stay true to the air fried and crispy. Okay. No moisticity at all in this. I have to say, for me, the air fried one. I happen to like a crispier eggplant parmesan. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed our how to make eggplant parmesan air fry versus deep fried. And if you like more great recipes, go to chefdarleneb.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.